Need some color in your urban lifestyle? Craving some fresh produce? Need some more green but can't get it to grow? No need to fear. Captain Greenthumbs is here to help you get it done. So let's go to my favorite gardening guide, the Book of Mormon, in Alma chapter 32. Now we will compare the word unto a seed. Now if ye give place that a seed may be planted in your heart, behold, if it be a true seed or a good seed, if you do not cast it out, it will begin to swell within your breast. Now I'm going to suggest that it would be best not to plant a literal seed inside of you, because if it swells and begins to grow, it's not going to be very good for you. So we're going to take a literal seed from a seed packet and we're going to plant it inside of a pot. We're going to plant it in the soil. And behold, as the seed swelleth and sprouteth and beginneth to grow, then you must needs say that the seed is good. For behold, it swelleth and sprouteth and beginneth to grow. You will say, I know that this is a good seed, for behold, it sprouteth and beginneth to grow. Therefore, if a seed groweth, it is not good. But if it groweth not, behold, it is not good. Therefore, it is cast away. And now, behold, because ye have tried the experiment and planted the seed, and it swelleth and sprouteth, and beginneth to grow, ye must needs know that the seed is good. And behold, as the plant beginneth to grow, ye will say, let us nourish it with great care, that it may get root, that it may grow up and bring forth fruit unto us. And now, behold, if ye nourish it with much care, it will get root and grow up and bring forth fruit. So, how do we nourish it? Well, for me, Captain Greenthumb, I just touch the soil and it grows. But for the rest of you, I would suggest that we start with some good soil. Make sure that we water. Sometimes put some fertilizer on it. And also make sure that we put it in a spot that gets enough sun. But if you neglect the plant and take no thought for its nourishment, meaning we don't water it and let it get dry, we let weeds grow, we let bugs eat it, behold, it will not get any root. And when the heat of the sun cometh and scorcheth it, because it hath no root, it withers away, and ye pluck it up and cast it out. Now this is not because the seed was not good, neither is it because the fruit thereof was not desirable, but it is because your ground is barren, and you will not nourish the plant. Therefore ye cannot have the fruit thereof. But when you do nourish it, it grows like this. And you get fruits like this. As Captain Greenthumb, I would like to give you one last piece of advice. In John chapter 15 it says, abide in me and I in you. As the branch cannot bear fruit of itself except it abide in the vine, no more can ye except ye abide in me. I am the vine, ye are the branches. He that abideth in me and I in him, the same bringeth forth much fruit. For without me ye can do nothing. Just a reminder that we are like grapes and not tomatoes. As grapes grow on the vine is Jesus Christ, and we gather our strength from him. Tomatoes ripen after you pick them, and they turn red and ripen once they're gone from the fruit. We are not like that. We are like grapes, and we need to stick to the vine and stay close to our Savior Jesus Christ in order to gain strength and fulfill the measure of our creation.